Have you ever wondered what the secret to a long and healthy life is? Meet Helen, a 90-year-old lady who radiates vitality and well-being. Helen always believes that breakfast is the most important meal of the day and has her secrets for keeping her liver healthy and functioning perfectly. Inspired by her wisdom and experience, we bring you 5 foods she recommends including in breakfast for those who want to take good care of their liver and start the day on the right foot.
First food, avocado.
Avocado is a true gift of nature. Rich in healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals, it is perfect for including in breakfast. This fruit contains glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that helps detoxify the liver by eliminating harmful toxins. Additionally, avocado has compounds that reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the liver, protecting it from damage. Start the day with avocado toast, a slice of whole grain bread with a generous layer of mashed avocado, seasoned with a pinch of salt and pepper. Simple, delicious, and a true elixir for your liver. You can even add a drizzle of olive oil and some chia seeds for an extra nutrient boost. Besides being healthy, this combination is extremely tasty and will make your breakfast much more interesting. 2. Oats, the friend of digestion. Oats are known for their numerous health benefits, and liver care is one of them. Rich in soluble fibers, oats help reduce cholesterol levels, a crucial factor for liver health. Additionally, the fibers aid digestion and promote healthy bowel function, facilitating the elimination of toxins. A warm oatmeal for breakfast, perhaps with a bit of honey and fresh fruit, is a comforting and nutritious way to start the day. Your liver will thank you for every spoonful. And don't worry about monotony, you can vary the preparation of oats in many ways. Add cinnamon, chopped apple, nuts, or even a spoonful of peanut butter for a special touch. For a more practical option, try preparing overnight oats. Mix oats with milk or yogurt and leave in the refrigerator overnight. In the morning, add fresh fruits like strawberries or blueberries and a bit of honey. This preparation not only saves time but also provides a fresh and delicious meal that is gentle on your liver. 3. Walnuts, small nutritional powerhouses. Walnuts are an excellent addition to breakfast, not only for their taste but also for the benefits they bring to the liver. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and improve liver function. Additionally, they contain glutathione and arginine, which aid in liver detoxification. Adding a handful of walnuts to yogurt or oats is an easy and tasty way to include these powerful nutrients in your morning diet. Moreover, the crunchiness of walnuts adds a delicious texture to your breakfast. Walnuts can also be combined with other dried fruits and seeds to create a healthy and delicious mix to accompany your cereal or granola. 4. Green tea, the detoxifying elixir. Green tea is an incredible drink to start the day. It is rich in antioxidants, especially catechins, which aid liver function and protect the liver from damage. Additionally, green tea helps improve fat metabolism, reducing the burden on the liver. Replacing your morning coffee with green tea can be a simple yet powerful change for your liver health. Enjoy a cup of hot green tea, perhaps with a bit of lemon, for a refreshing and detoxifying start to the day. The lemon adds a fresh touch and further boosts the drink's antioxidant power. If you are not a fan of hot tea, try making an iced version. Simply brew the green tea as usual, let it cool, and add ice and lemon slices. This refreshing drink is perfect for hot days and still offers all the benefits of green tea for your liver. 5. Citrus fruits, vitamin explosion. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, which are essential for liver health. These fruits help detoxify the liver, promote enzyme production, and improve digestion. Additionally, vitamin C strengthens the immune system, providing extra defense for your body. A fresh orange juice or a citrus fruit salad is a refreshing and delicious way to start the day. The vibrant flavor and burst of vitamins will leave your body energized and your liver happy. You can make orange juice with carrot and ginger for an extra touch of flavor and nutrients. Another idea is to prepare a citrus fruit salad with orange, grapefruit, kiwi, and mint. This combination is not only visually appealing but also a burst of flavors that will brighten your breakfast. Citrus fruits can also be added to smoothies, blending well with other fruits and vegetables for a nutritious start to the day. Taking care of your liver is essential for a long and healthy life. So, how about making these small changes to your morning routine? Your liver and your entire body will thank you. A healthy breakfast is the first step to a day full of energy and vitality. Did you like these tips? Leave your like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. And if you want to know which foods can destroy your liver, click on the video that is appearing on the screen now.
See you next time.